Pimp Art in the building here. Today we're going to be talking about the Wacom Cintiq 16. We're going to be talking about my first impressions, and I just want to make this plain and clear. Wacom did not sponsor this. I bought this with my own blood, sweat, and tears. Now, opening this thing up, it is a 15.6 inch screen, 1920 by 1080 resolution. And the first thing that pops up in my head when I open this box up is the presentation. The presentation, the quality of it. You know, it's yeah. I bought so many tablets, but never had the presentation of this. All right, and so we have the power cable here, and as I'm bringing these cables out, just look at the quality of the cable. Look how thick the cable is. I mean, that's gonna last you a long time. The durability, especially if you're traveling like I am. You're unplugging it, plugging it back in, unplugging it, wrapping it up, jamming into your bag. I mean, these cards are built to last. Now, this is the tablet itself is in a sleeve. All right, so we just slide that to the side. Now we have our power brick. Once again, look at those cards. Now we have the 3-in-1 HDMI USB to hook up to your tablet. And once again, look at this card right here. I mean, this is your main card. It's going to connect to your tablet. It's going to connect directly to your tablet. And so you need that card to be very, very durable. I mean, look at that. And just comparing it to XP Pen, which I'm coming from, their cards are very flimsy, or whatever. So right here we have the Pro Pen 2, Wacom Pro Pen 2. It has 2 buttons on the top of it. Right there, that's one button. The other button's right there. And first thing I noticed is it's very comfortable in the hand. It has an eraser right up there. You just flip it over and erase with it. And it's very comfortable in the hand, and it's a bit heavier. It's a bit heavier than I'm used to. But I mean, it's not that heavy, but coming from a cheaper tablet, you can really recognize the quality of this pen. And once again, I think the key word to this video is really going to be durability and quality. So let's check out the tablet. Right, and like I said before, it is a 15.6 inch screen, 1920 by 1080 full HD. And this right here is the pen holder, right? And the pen holder is you can put it on either side for people who are left-handed. Just pop it out and pop it right in just like that. And so that pen holder also holds some extra nibs. Come on, camera, focus. Right there we go. We got 3 nibs right there, as you can see. And we're just gonna put it back in there. And so also you see those 4 holes right there at the bottom. You can put a stand, you can mount it and put a stand on it. But those are the foldable legs, and they have like two adjustable levels. Bam, that's the last level. I want to say it's like 19 degrees. And this right here is the compartment. So that big wire that I was talking about is gonna go right in there. The big wire is gonna go right in there, and there you go, right there. The wire is gonna go right there, and the little compartment shuts over the wire and locks down. So you're never in fear of, ejecting the wire out or anything like that. And another thing that I've noticed is that it's tapered. So you see it's thicker at the top than it is at the bottom. And so when you lay the tablet down just flat down without using the foldable legs, it still has a incline. And so it's not flat, as you're drawing. Right? And so the button is right there at the top. Right there at the top, button. And overall it's just a quality product. Now this is what it looks like when it's all hooked up. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna zoom all the way in. I'm gonna zoom all the way in because the screen is supposed to be full HD. So when we zoom all the way in, I'm gonna see how far or how long it takes for me to start seeing pixels. All right. So there we go, right there. So we start seeing pixels right there, which is fine because we're never gonna zoom in that close. And plus, if you do have to zoom in that close, that nobody's gonna be able to see that, right? So I mean, this screen is just beautiful, and I didn't tamper with it. I didn't, change the color. I didn't have to calibrate it. This is straight out of the box. This is straight out of the box, and I could tell the difference between this one and my XP pen. And the colors are just so much better, right? So much realistic, And so right now I'm doing a line test. I'm testing the pressure sensitivity on my light lines, and I'm going from light, very light, to very heavy on the tablet, just to test it out and see whether it's gonna register or not. Because once again, coming from the XP pen, you would lightly stroke over the tablet, and a lot of times it wouldn't even register it, right? So anyway, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, please hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll holler at you guys next time. Believe that.